Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Studio tools not working. First, let's cover some initial troubleshooting steps. A stable internet connection is crucial, so double-check your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Make sure your Roblox Studio is running the most recent update, as outdated versions can cause tool malfunctions. Finally, a simple restart of both the application and your computer can often resolve many common issues by clearing out any temporary software hiccups. Next, we'll dive into the tool's properties and permissions. Open the Properties window for your tool and ensure its active property is set to true. Incorrect parenting can also prevent tools from working, so confirm it's in the workspace or the player's backpack. Sometimes, custom scripts can unintentionally disable tools, so review any local scripts or server scripts that might be interacting with your tool's functionality to ensure they aren't causing conflicts. If the problem persists, clearing the cache and reinstalling can be very effective. Corrupted cache files can often lead to unexpected behavior, so clearing them out is a good step. If that doesn't work, a complete reinstallation of Roblox Studio might be necessary. Before you do this, please make sure to back up any unsaved projects or important assets. This ensures you won't lose any of your hard work during the process, which typically takes only a few minutes. Finally, if you're still facing issues, it's time to seek further assistance. The Roblox Developer Forum is an excellent resource where you can find solutions from other experienced creators. If you suspect a bug, report it directly to Roblox support. When doing so, provide as much detail as possible, including screenshots or short video recordings. This information helps them understand and address your problem more efficiently, leading to a quicker resolution for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.